Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, if you saw last night's video, I ran out of sandpaper and I was unable to finish. So we got the other truck warming up. We're gonna go get the sandpaper for this, and I'm redoing the truck. So right now I've got it scuffed. I'm not telling you what I'm redoing it with yet because it's not here. I want to show you what I'm using, but unfortunately it's not here yet, so I'm going to keep that a surprise until later in the video. But we're going to go get what we need for the rest of the body work, and I'm going to get going on the rest of the truck. So after we got back from the store, we went ahead and had everything sanded down. Here we're getting ready to primer it. We just have to mask everything off. We got it pretty smooth. And then down here on the door, we had a little work to do too. It started to crack right through here, and we had one running up this way. We fixed it before, but you know, Michigan salt just ruined everything. So we had to go ahead and fix that one. And up here on the front bumper as well, we had a little work to do. Once again, we previously fixed this, but like I said, Michigan salt just ruins everything. So right here we had a little crack running through, so we went ahead and filled it, sanded it down smooth now. And then over here on the rear fender, we have what we started yesterday where we left off. We couldn't sand it, but today it's done. So we're going to mask everything off, the emblems get masked off, and the bottom is going to get redone. Alright, so as you saw in the last video, we got the bottom sprayed. I went ahead and got a slow video going by showing you that. So here the truck is now. I'm going to tell you what we bought here in a minute. But we've got everything taped off, masked off. I still have the back window to go, the side window, and the mirror. So here's what we ended up getting for the truck. We got Raptor bed liner. And my decision was made because I got tired of seeing rock chips in my truck. I want a tougher truck. I want it to look better than just normal paint. I don't see many bedline trucks rolling around where I'm from, so I decided I want to be different. I don't want to have a painted truck like everyone else. I want something tougher. So here we've got the Raptor bed liner. It comes with its own liner, a hardener, instructions, and its own spray gun with a pressure gauge included. And here you can see the tip for spraying. It's got a good sized tip for allowing a good flow of bed liner. And we're gonna start going forward with it here in a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoy. I really can't wait to show you when it's done. I think it's gonna look great, and I hope you guys think so too. Alright, so probably within the last 2 hours we got the truck all lined with the Raptor liner, and we got everything unmasked. And guys, it looks amazing. Here, let me give you a little look at it here. It looks perfect. Now for this setting here, you guys can see the texture of it. It's not too terrible. It's just about what I expected. I sprayed mine around 60 psi. They say anywhere between 40 to 80, but I did mine at 60. I've made sure I tested it on another panel, and you guys want to do that too. Take a piece of cardboard, spray it on there, dial in your texture, dial in your spray width, and it'll turn out great. Overall, the kit looks great on the truck. This video is not sponsored by Raptor Liner, so I don't have to make them happy by talking up their product, but Guys, if you get this, you will really, really like it. I am in love with this. I can't stop looking at it. So overall, to do the truck, I bought the 6-liter kit, and I only used 3 to do the entire truck. That is, I did the tonneau cover and all of the truck, the hood, the roof, sides, everything, minus this part down. That was done with a different type. I tried going with the two-tone look, and hopefully when I get it outside it'll look different. But guys, this stuff looks amazing, and I hope you guys really like it. I'm in love with this. So go out, get your Raptor liner. It looks great on trucks. And also, I forgot to mention, one thing you want to do is peel your tape off right after you spray the truck. Spray everything, let it sit probably 15 minutes, and then start to peel everything. Most people say you can wait to do it, but the tape becomes part of the liner. I did not want that, and you'll get a great outcome. Everything looks great here on the truck, and nothing ran after I peeled it off. Everything looks great. So it's kind of up to you to pick which way you want to do it. You could either use a heat gun and heat up the tape edge and peel it that way. You can razor blade it, or you can go ahead and do it my way. And I suggest doing it my way because it worked great for me, and I don't see why it won't work for you. Alright, as you can see, the truck is finally done. Alright, here I'll show you some stuff. Here, you guys can remember in the last video when I went ahead and cut all this body work out here, and you could see how rusty it was. And now if you look down the side of the truck, you can't even tell we did any body work to it. It looks great. The bed liner went on great. The bottom we did a spray on, as well as the top. We didn't roll any of it, and the texture of it looks pretty good. We went ahead and did all the truck. We did the bumpers and all the other stuff with it. We did the roll bar, and over here we had all this cut out last time you guys saw, and now you can see how it looks now. And as well as the other side, you can't tell we did any body work to it. It just all goes great together. And here you can see a little bit of what the truck looks like in the sun. Before, it was that glossy paint from the factory, and now it's a kind of, well, the sun's behind me, so now it's like a shiny textured look to it. But on the other side, it's really like a matte look. The truck has a matte color to it now, and it looks great, guys. Oh, one more thing I need to show you is up here on the bumper. When I showed you the other body work we did, you can't even tell anything was done to it. It looks great. This stuff's really good for when you do body work like this. It hides a lot of stuff, and that's what I kind of needed. This truck was scratched up before, and now you can't even tell it. I mean, it looks like a new truck. So I'm glad you guys were here to watch this journey for this truck. If you liked the video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, come back for more videos. If you like it, tell us about it, show us you liked it, and if you have a friend that's thinking about using Raptor liner, go ahead and show them this video, share this with them. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.